Cheers. This is gonna be a chill moment. Just got up here, got a terrific spot. I rolled in maybe like 10:30. Campfire's going. I got a little Japanese beer here, and yeah, cheers. You could hear the fire in the background. It's a good beer. Just being here, I feel how tense my body and my mind, my emotions, even my spirit just has felt really tense. There's been a lot growing for me, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just noticing that tension. And right now I'm just relaxing with the fire and this beer out here in Mother Nature. Father Time overlooking. And I'm gonna enjoy this fire. Then I'm gonna go to sleep.